There are certain people in the world who are always unnecessarily and unconditionally not only wealthy, rich, powerful, successful, privileged, opportune, advantageous in almost everything in life because of influence, because of inheritance, or because of their parents' or generational wealth, or because of their own hard work, but they are always asserting a whole lot of arrogance, pride, vanity, aggression, ego, and many other bad, wicked qualities and characteristics, not only in their behaviors, attitudes, mindsets, but also in their subsequent actions, behaviors, habits, and interactions and relationships at every step of the way with almost everyone they come into contact with. Because they are incapable of, or they just do not have the capability any longer for any authenticity, self respect, mutual respect, sovereignty, compassion, kindness, understanding, humanity, empathy, and many other virtues at all. And that's why they're always arrogant, and they don't like anyone that is either not like them or that is inferior to them because of lack or unavailability or absence of wealth, riches, influence, success, privilege in their lives. But not everyone is always privileged, successful, ambitious, all the things. But certain people are, but they must not be arrogant anyways, because success, wealth, riches are one thing, but life is something else entirely. And no matter who we are, what we represent, what we have, what we don't have, eventually there is death for everyone. And there is also individual and collective limitations, disharmonies, disunities, shortcomings, weaknesses, insecurities that will always pervade and influence our nature and dominate our actions in one way or another, which we have to come to the realization with and learn to integrate, embrace, and acknowledge. Until unless we acknowledge all those things, we will continue to be dominated, controlled, governed by the unconscious shadows and repressed materials in ourselves in one way or another. And that is why certain people are always arrogant and others are always down to earth. So some people don't have any humility, self-respect, mutual respect, or capability for any kindness, understanding, authenticity at all, but the others have got all of these things unconditionally in place in one way or another. So the differences are clear that some people always tolerate superiority, and beyond superiority, they cannot go. They always possess wealth, riches, and anything above or basically below their nature, position, wealth, arrogance. They don't like those things of people, but that is quite disrespectful